Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most pressing questions ahead of Australia's federal election. Can Labor keep its edge? The migration issue heating up the election. As the nation prepares to head to the polls, all eyes are on Prime Minister Anthony Albanese and his Australian Labor Party, ALP, who currently hold a lead in the polls. Estimates suggest that Labor has roughly a 52% chance of forming government, a figure that underscores their position heading into this critical vote. But with migration emerging as a flashpoint issue, the question remains, can Labor maintain its momentum? At first glance, Labor's advantage seems unshakable. Voters appear to approve of the ALP's handling of key challenges, from economic recovery post-pandemic to addressing climate change. Demographic shifts also favor Labor, with younger Australians leaning progressive and urban centres increasingly supportive of policies promoting social equity and inclusion. Successful initiatives around cost of living relief and healthcare access have further bolstered public confidence in Albanese's leadership. However, the coalition is striking back with a bold and controversial strategy: strict measures on migration. They've proposed increasing student fees, capping student visas, and cutting skilled migration quotas, arguing that these steps will ease pressure on housing markets, reduce competition for local jobs, and address infrastructure strain in major cities. For some voters, particularly those frustrated by skyrocketing rents or overcrowded urban areas, this message resonates deeply. But these proposals have sparked fierce backlash from others who see migration as essential to Australia's prosperity. Critics warn that tightening controls could undermine the nation's global reputation as a hub for talent and innovation. Migrants contribute billions annually to the economy through taxes, entrepreneurship, and workforce participation, and they enrich Australia and society culturally. This ideological divide over migration is heating up the election and could very well determine whether Labor can maintain its edge. For those watching closely, there's still cause for optimism. Despite the heated rhetoric, the Albanese government has introduced reforms aimed at making the migration system fairer and more efficient. A new ballot system for certain visas ensures equal opportunity for applicants, while thousands of places remain allocated for skilled professionals in high-demand sectors like healthcare, engineering, and IT. These efforts signal a commitment to balancing population needs with economic realities, a stance that may appeal to undecided voters. As Election Day approaches, Australians face a choice between two starkly different visions for their country's future. On one side, the coalition offers caution and control, appealing to those worried about resource scarcity and rapid urbanization. On the other, Labor champions inclusivity and progress, arguing that embracing migration is vital for sustaining Australia's prosperity and global standing. The battle lines are drawn, and the outcome hinges on how voters weigh these competing priorities. So as we ask ourselves, can Labor keep its edge? The migration issue heating up the election. The answer may lie in whether Labor can navigate the rising concerns over migration and convince voters that their vision is the right path forward. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and expert analysis on this unfolding political drama.